In this lesson, we're going to learn the pan trick. So what you do is you just take your small saute pan, your egg pan, go ahead and put in about a 1/4 cup of salt as you just kind of roll it. And when you're sautéing, you do it a little bit tighter. That's the whole thing. Keep your wrists loose, your arm doesn't move a lot, but when you're doing eggs, you're going to bring them down and you're going to kind of bring them back. And then when you do that, you want to be able to do it left-handed. Practice right-handed, left-handed. And if you take that into a bigger pan, a little bit more salt, you'll be going like this, and it's the same motion. Pan's a little heavier, so it's going to tip down. That inertia is going to keep it going backwards, but you want to catch it. You just don't want it to drop down like that. You're going to break eggs and you're going to get things all over the place. Get used to that soft motion. And that, my friends, is the pan trick.